Welcome to a modern luxury guest house where contemporary elegance meets tropical serenity. In this unique design journey, we'll explore a home that radiates sophistication, integrating bold black accents with lush green courtyards. Every detail, from the sleek exterior to the intimate outdoor dining space, invites you to step into a space of relaxation and beauty. Join us as we take you through each area of this luxury guest house, perfect for a small space that feels anything but limited. Here, luxury takes a minimalist approach, blending rich materials with an open layout and embracing nature at every turn. This guest house offers a tranquil retreat within a tropical courtyard setting, allowing the bold, dark elements to create an exquisite contrast against the vibrant greenery. Let's begin by exploring the striking exterior design. The exterior of this guest house is a balance of simplicity and sophistication, featuring sleek black concrete walls with subtle textures that add depth and character. These dark tones are contrasted with large, clear windows that not only brighten the interior but also connect the indoors with the surrounding lush tropical greenery. This choice of materials creates an impression of refined modernism and sets the tone for the rest of the house's unique design. Flanking the entrance are minimalist tropical plants that frame the bold black walls, softening the space with natural greenery. This intentional balance of dark and light, soft and hard, continues throughout the guest house, where each design choice emphasizes a harmonious connection with the outdoors. The entrance beckons guests to step inside, leaving behind the noise of the world and entering a haven of elegance and relaxation. As you step through the entrance, the transition from the bold exterior to the inviting interior is seamless. A wide, open doorway welcomes guests, framed by tall tropical plants that provide a sense of arrival and privacy. The floor is smooth polished concrete, its dark tones echoing the black accents seen throughout the design, while warm accent lighting softens the overall ambience. In this welcoming space, visitors are greeted by a view of the tropical courtyard beyond, setting the stage for a fluid indoor-outdoor experience. The neutral palette continues into the house, accented with touches of green and natural wood that highlight the natural beauty of the materials without overwhelming the senses. It's a tranquil, understated entryway that invites guests to explore further. The living room is an open, airy space that feels inviting yet sophisticated. Here, bold black furnishings create a sleek contrast against soft, neutral walls and flooring. Comfortable, low-profile sofas with clean lines complement the minimalist decor, with pillows and earth tones that bring in warmth. Large windows flood the space with natural light, illuminating the richness of the dark accents. At night, the soft lighting throughout the room enhances the cozy, intimate atmosphere, transforming it into a peaceful sanctuary. On one side, a custom-built bookshelf displays a curated collection of decor items and lush potted plants, which add texture and a natural touch to the room. The living room seamlessly connects to the outdoor areas, making it perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet evening. The kitchen is a sleek, modern marvel that combines functionality with style. Black cabinetry with matte finishes and minimalist handles provides an elegant contrast to the polished concrete countertops. This monochromatic palette emphasizes clean lines, while stainless steel appliances add a touch of industrial charm, blending seamlessly with the tropical setting. An open island design allows for easy flow between the kitchen and dining areas, encouraging social interaction and connection with the rest of the guest house. The kitchen is illuminated by soft pendant lights that cast a warm glow, creating an intimate space for preparing meals and sharing culinary moments with guests. In the dining room, a minimalist black dining table is surrounded by natural wood chairs, adding a subtle warmth to the modern decor. Above, a statement pendant light enhances the luxurious feel, while large windows provide views of the lush courtyard, bringing the tropical setting into the dining experience. The contrast between the black accents and natural wood creates an elegant yet inviting atmosphere. This space feels expansive yet intimate, ideal for hosting small gatherings or simply enjoying a quiet meal. The indoor-outdoor connection is ever present here, as the dining room opens to the courtyard, creating a seamless transition for guests to move freely between the indoor and outdoor areas, further emphasizing the luxury of this unique guest house. Moving outside, the tropical courtyard is a private oasis that envelopes the guest house, providing a serene space for relaxation and connection with nature. Lush greenery, tall palms, and tropical flowers add vibrant colors to the space, contrasting beautifully with the black walls of the house. This lush garden creates a sense of tranquility and provides shade, keeping the outdoor area cool and inviting. Pathways lined with stone tiles lead visitors through the courtyard, allowing for leisurely strolls and a sense of exploration. The sound of a small water feature brings a soothing element to the space, enhancing the tropical ambience and making this outdoor area the perfect retreat from the bustle of everyday life. Inside the bedroom, luxury meets simplicity with a monochromatic color palette that prioritizes comfort and relaxation. The bed, with its crisp white linens and dark accent pillows, is the focal point of the room. Black furnishings and wooden side tables add depth, while minimalist decor ensures a calming atmosphere free of distractions. A large glass door opens directly onto a private part of the courtyard, allowing natural light to flow in and providing direct access to the lush garden. This indoor-outdoor connection creates a sense of harmony and allows guests to wake up to the view of nature, offering a perfect start to the day. The bathroom embodies modern luxury with its bold design elements and refined finishes. Dark, matte black fixtures against sleek white tiles create a dramatic contrast, while subtle accents of greenery bring the outdoors into this private space. A spacious, glass-enclosed shower looks out onto a small, enclosed garden, adding a touch of tropical luxury to the bathing experience. Natural light filters in through a high window, illuminating the room with a soft glow. The overall feel is serene and spa-like, with every detail carefully designed to create a calm and rejuvenating atmosphere, a true retreat within the guest house. The lounge area is a cozy, relaxed space where guests can unwind. Low-profile seating with deep cushions and soft fabrics invites relaxation, with dark wood and black metal accents adding a refined touch. Floor-to-ceiling windows connect this space with the tropical courtyard, allowing natural light and views to pour in. In the evenings, subtle, ambient lighting transforms the lounge into a quiet sanctuary, perfect for reading or enjoying a drink. The minimalist decor and natural touches create an inviting space that feels luxurious yet down to earth, where guests can take a break from the outside world. The outdoor dining area is a true highlight of the guest house, set within the lush courtyard for an immersive dining experience. A dark wood table and black metal chairs blend with the natural surroundings, while overhead string lights provide a warm glow for evening meals. Surrounded by greenery, this space feels intimate and relaxed, ideal for sharing meals in the open air. This area's design is simple yet elegant, creating a sense of unity with the natural surroundings. Whether for morning coffee or a candlelit dinner, the outdoor dining space brings the luxury guesthouse experience full circle, creating a perfect spot for connection and relaxation. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a modern luxury guest house where bold black accents and a lush tropical courtyard combine to create a serene and sophisticated retreat. Every detail, from the sleek black elements to the vibrant garden views, reflects a commitment to design harmony and elegance. We hope this tour has inspired you to explore how bold contrasts and natural beauty can transform a space into a luxurious haven. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this tour, and stay tuned for more unique home design inspirations.